Okay, so on the website, we've got the STL files for these mounts. This is a 26 millimeter motor mount. This accommodates the 26 millimeter pucks. We also have a 30 millimeter motor mount that accommodates 30 millimeter puck. So here's a motor that has the 30 millimeter diameter motor puck. Here's one that's 26. You can see they're a little bit different in size. And anyway, I'll show you how this all goes together. Okay, here's my motor with the bullets that we just put on. Got myself my hex driver, and I'm going to go for I think the 4 millimeter will work just fine for us. I'm going to do it through trial and error. I think the 4 millimeter worked just fine. I'm going to just pop one through there. Yep, and it's got enough bite. So I'm just going to line that up. These are 16 millimeter all around, so it really doesn't matter. You can't screw it up. The hardest part is just getting the first one started. Once you get the first one started, the others go pretty easy. I'm not tightening them down yet. I'm just going finger tight. Alright, motor's on there. Now I'm going to tighten it down. And these are just PLA motor mounts that I've printed here, but you can print them out of higher print temperature material. So if you want PETG or carbon infused, something with a higher melting point, that'll work. But anyway, these motors have got real nice cooling, and so far we haven't had any issues with motors overheating and causing it to melt out of the puck. So now I'm going to install this just so that the holes align. And the way I plan this is I plan this so that when I mount this on the body, here's how I plan this. I plan this so that when these wires, when we have this installed, I can either poke a hole through here and run them through the hole, or I can put a little slot right here and run them through the slot. So either way will work. So now let's finish this. We got to secure these in place here. So just line up the little holes. Let's see, I'm just going to use the 3 millimeter screws here for this. What's nice, a lot of these motors come with screws, so you don't need any additional hardware at all. Just use what's in the package. It might take a little bit of force just because you're going to be creating that hole for the screw pattern for the screw to go in there. Not a lot. You can see it goes in there real nice. And you don't have to over tighten it because you're just going to break the plastic. Like that. I'm holding this funny just so you can see it there while I'm doing this with the camera angle. Like I said earlier, I'm working out in my garage here in Gilbert, Arizona. It's about 102 or so degrees out. It's sunny. We're in monsoon season here, so it's pretty humid. So There you go. Now our motor's nice and secure on the mount, no vibration. I'm going to go ahead and slide that into place right here. And there you go. Next, I'll melt a little hole through here so that we can attach to our ESC inside here.